I'm Lee from Access Unlimited, and today we're going to show you the Glide and Go for a 2014 to present Dodge Promaster.
This particular model is made to function in a conversion with raised floor. The Glide and Go for the Ram Promaster bolts into the available OEM holes, so there is no permanent modification to your vehicle. The unit is powered by the vehicle's battery through a single line. In the event of power loss, you can find an emergency release here for manual operation of the unit. The unit is designed to fit snugly between the vehicle door and the interior. To drop the seat down, simply pull the handle as shown to release tension. When using the Glide and Go, the grab bar must always be deployed. It's stored to the side of the seat when it's not in use. The Glide and Go is operated using a simple controller that the green button engages or disengages the unit to avoid accidental movement, while the arrows control the directional movement. The seat travels up high enough for a downhill transfer into the seat. The seat sits low for both seated and standing transfers depending on the needs of the customer. While the Glide and Go won't impede the operation of the vehicle by a non-user, the seat itself is removable as shown. The pendant is stored using Velcro, which can be placed in a convenient location for the user.
Thank you for watching our video today on the Glide and Go for a Dodge Promaster. If you'd like to check out more of our videos on a Glide and Go or the Promaster, check out the link below. Have a great day.